Number 1. 1979 Lincoln Continental, $4,500, Westland, Michigan. This 1979 Lincoln Continental package includes 2 coupes, one serving as a parts car, making it an attractive deal for a dedicated Lincoln enthusiast. Powered by a traditional American V8 with automatic transmission, these massive luxury coupes were known for their soft ride and elegant styling. With only 50,000 miles shown, the main car could become a very respectable cruiser with proper attention. Late 70s Lincolns continue to attract collectors who appreciate full-size luxury and classic Detroit design. Number 2. 1978 Chevrolet Malibu, $9,000, Detroit, Michigan. This 1978 Chevrolet Malibu features a desirable 400 cubic inch V8 paired with a 700 automatic transmission, giving this midsize coupe strong street performance potential. Finished in burgundy inside and out, the car reportedly has only 51,000 miles and appears to be a solid example of General Motors' late 70s A-body platform. These Malibus are increasingly popular among muscle car fans thanks to their lightweight chassis and excellent aftermarket support. Number 3. 1988 Oldsmobile 88 7500s, Royal Oak, Michigan. This 1988 Oldsmobile 88 combines classic full-size comfort with custom street styling. Powered by the dependable Oldsmobile 307 V8 engine, the car includes aftermarket 24-inch wheels, Viper alarm system, and additional wheel sets. The blue-on-blue color combination gives it strong vintage luxury appeal, while the reported 2-owner history adds extra interest. Big front-wheel drive Oldsmobiles from this era remain comfortable cruisers with unmistakable late 80s styling. Number 4. 1963 Ford Thunderbird Coupe, $6,000, Detroit, Michigan. This 1963 Ford Thunderbird is an all-original personal luxury coupe finished in striking red with black interior. The seller reports the car runs and drives well with no rust, though the brakes will need attention. Known for its sleek, bullet bird styling, the 1961 to 1963 Thunderbird generation remains one of Ford's most iconic luxury designs. At this price point, it offers strong value for someone seeking a stylish 60s cruiser project. Number 5. 1963 Chevrolet Impala, $8,000, Warren, Michigan. This 1963 Chevrolet Impala is a solid project car with a running engine and excellent potential for restoration or rat rod styling. The 1963 model year is highly desirable thanks to its clean body lines and strong connection to lowrider culture. Finished in red with black interior, this Impala could easily become a standout classic with the right finishing work. Solid early 60s Impalas continue to hold strong collector interest nationwide. Number 6. 1977 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Sedan, $2,500, South Bend, Indiana. This 1977 Chevrolet Caprice Classic is a running and driving full-size sedan that still needs distributor timing adjustments to run properly. The seller invested money bringing the car back from non-running condition, making it a good budget-friendly project for a classic Chevrolet fan. These downsized late 70s Caprices became known for their comfortable ride, reliability, and simple mechanical design. Number 7, 1986 Chevrolet Caprice Classic LS Sedan, $3,500, Warren, Ohio. This 1986 Chevrolet Caprice Classic LS is a clean two-owner sedan with only 83,000 miles and a solid frame underneath. Recent fuel and brake line replacements are important upgrades, although the body still requires paint and cosmetic work. These box-style Caprices remain popular among collectors thanks to their durable V8 drivetrains and classic rear-wheel drive platform. Number 8, 1973 Buick Century Limited Sedan, $2,500, Quaker City, Ohio. This 1973 Buick Century Limited is a remarkably solid barn-find project that has not run in over 30 years. Powered by a 350 V8 with automatic transmission, the car reportedly retains excellent seats, roof, and surprisingly good original paint shine. Early 70s Buicks are appreciated for their smooth ride quality and upscale styling, and this dry, rust-free example offers an excellent restoration foundation. Number 9, 1978 Lincoln Town Car, $6,800, Senecaville, Ohio. This 1978 Lincoln Town Car is a classic American luxury cruiser powered by the legendary 460 cubic inch V8 engine. Finished in matching burgundy exterior and interior colors, the car reportedly runs very well and remains in great shape overall. These town cars represented the peak of traditional body-on-frame luxury before downsizing changed the American market in the early 1980s. Number 10, 1977 Mercury Grand Marquis, $7,500, New Martinsville, West Virginia. This 1977 Mercury Grand Marquis is a clean, full-size luxury sedan showing just over 51,000 miles. Known as Mercury's upscale version of the Ford LTD, the Grand Marquis offered plush interiors, smooth highway manners, and strong V8 reliability. Large American sedans from this era are becoming harder to find in preserved condition, making this a solid collector cruiser. Number 11, 1962 Ford Thunderbird Coupe, $7,000, Spring Hill, Florida. This 1962 Ford Thunderbird Landau is powered by its original 390 FE V8, paired with a smooth shifting Ford-O-Matic transmission. The seller has invested heavily in recent upgrades including ignition components, alternator conversion, new gas tank, steering parts, and wiring improvements. Finished in black with burgundy interior, this stylish Thunderbird remains one of the most recognizable luxury coupes of the early 60s. Number 12, 1987 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, $7,995, Kissimmee, Florida. This one-owner 1987 Chevrolet Monte Carlo retains its original engine and transmission with 91,000 miles. The seller reports the car is mechanically up-to-date and fitted with new tires, although it currently needs a battery. Late-model rear-wheel drive Monte Carlos remain highly collectible thanks to their sporty styling and strong connection to NASCAR history during the 1980s. Number 13, 1971 Oldsmobile 88 Sedan, $8,500. Miami, Florida. This 1971 Oldsmobile Delta 88 is powered by the legendary 455 cubic inch V8 engine paired with automatic transmission and a 4-barrel carburetor. Factory air conditioning and one-owner history make this full-size sedan even more attractive. Early 70s Oldsmobiles delivered strong torque, smooth highway cruising, and premium comfort, making them excellent classic road trip cars today. Number 14. 1980 Pontiac Firebird Formula Coupe, $5,500. Green Cove Springs, Florida. This 1980 Pontiac Firebird Formula is equipped with the factory 301 V8 and automatic transmission. Previously used as a daily driver, the car now needs a timing chain replacement before returning to the road. The seller includes extensive maintenance records, showing substantial investment over time. Second-generation Firebirds remain extremely popular thanks to their aggressive styling and strong connection to late 70s performance culture. Number 15. 1988 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Classic Brougham, $2,400. Montezuma, Indiana. This 1988 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Brougham is a complete and largely original G-body coupe powered by the reliable 307 V8 and 4-speed automatic transmission. Features include power accessories and plush pillow-top seats, typical of upscale Oldsmobile models from the era. Although the car has been sitting for 10 years and lacks a title, it still runs and lot drives, making it a worthwhile restoration or parts donor candidate for G-body enthusiasts.